So today's video is not nothing special, but it may help some of you that may be new to PC game. Now, disclaimer, this video is not for any advanced PC enthusiasts, so don't come for me in the comments, alright? This video is mostly for content creators and new content creators at that. So if you got a 1080p monitor and you would like to record and upload high resolution content, and I'm assuming your PC can handle it, don't worry, I got you. I actually went through the same thing. I no longer have my 4K TV, and yes, I was gaming on an actual TV, and I still am. This time it's 1080p. So this helped me a lot, so I just want to bring this to y'all so it can help y'all as well. So all you have to do is open up NVIDIA control panel. You want to go to 3D settings and make sure you're in the global tab. This is where it's going to go down there. So once you verify you're in global settings, you're going to scroll down until you see DSR factors. Okay, you want to go in here and make sure you have 1.78 times DL. Now the reason for that is these other ones are older versions of this. They're not as efficient as this one. These are kind of new. I don't know when they came out, but I know like a year or so ago when I first was doing this, it kind of took a little bit of a performance hit. But this here, I don't notice a difference. Not a noticeable one anyway. The best thing about this is it's more efficient. Not only is it more efficient, but it also gives you the exact same quality. So that's a plus in my book. Now, it's impossible to actually get 1440p on a 1080p monitor, and I'm pretty sure we all know this. But your games will look a lot sharper, but you'll also be able to record and upload high resolution gameplay, whether it's 1440p or 4K if you choose. Now, I don't recommend using 4K because it is not included in the new efficient DL resolutions. Now, once you decide on which resolution you want to use, which I recommend 1440p, you're gonna now go down to change resolution, and you're just gonna change your monitor to that resolution. And as you can see, I already have that done, which is this one right here. So you see 2560 by 1440, 1.78 times my native resolution, which is 1080p. Now, once you've chosen the resolution you want, I'd advise you to go back to manage 3D settings and go down to that next setting that's right under DSR factors, which is DSR smoothness. And what you would do is you would just adjust it to your liking, or if you're satisfied with the results already, that's cool. Now, I must also leave a disclaimer. Don't get worried, because once you adjust the resolution and apply it, the NVIDIA control panel is going to look weird. It's not going to scale good, but that's because you got to close it and open it back up. So don't worry about that. Your display may look kind of crazy, but remember, this is for, trying to be able to enable a higher resolution in game, because it goes off of your native resolution. This will be replacing your native resolution and let you unlock the full resolution of whatever you choose, whether it's 4K, whether it's 1440p or whatever. It will be true, and more is always better to me. Once that's done, it's time to launch a game and now enable your new native resolution for your monitor or display. While we're on the subject of streaming and gaming, I want to interrupt this video and tell y'all about gaming visuals. Gaming visuals is the place to go if you're new to streaming or you're a pro streamer. They have everything you need here, man. They have banner makers, they have animated camera overlays, and a bunch of things that will help a content creator's content go to that next level. They have free items, and they also have paid items. Unfortunately, I don't make nothing off of the free items, but I make a little something off of the paid items. But don't worry, it's no extra cost to you. The price is the price. So if you're interested in gaming visuals, man, head down to the link in the description and check out some of the cool things they have over there at Gaming Visuals. Now back to the video. Changing the resolution of our game. We have Fortnite open here. We're gonna go to the settings. And as you can see, it is at 1080p, but we're gonna change it to 1440p. Just like that. I'm going to show you what I mean by you have to resize it. So now you just, bam, put it here. And this only happens if the OBS resolution does not match the resolution you're gaming at. And now let me show you the OBS settings, right? So we're going to go to settings right here. Go to video, and as you can see, your base and output resolution can be now set to 1440p. And like I said, man, this is an amazing tip to use, bro. For those gaming content creators who want to upload at high resolutions, this is the way to go, man. Let me show you that my monitor is actually a 1440p monitor. Okay, so as you can see, if I go here to display resolution, 1440p is the recommended, which usually means it's your native resolution. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't believe that this worked the way it did. You know what I'm saying? So that's a plus. Hopefully this helped you. Well, y'all, that is the video, man. That is it, man. Hopefully this video helped you, man. If it did, like the video and let me know in the comments, man. But for now, this has been your boy BCP Untamed, and I will see y'all next time, man. Peace.